What's up everybody, this is Clint with Never Done Industries. I was going through some of my old footage and I found some video clips of the very first time that I ever experienced nitrous on a vehicle. So I figured I'd give you guys a chance to check it out. I know some of you guys that follow the channel, you know you've seen a lot of our stuff, and I thought you guys might enjoy it. Just give you a little bit of a background. The vehicle that we're in, it's my buddy Ashley McCammon's Chevy pickup. It's a custom build. I don't know all the specs on it. It had a small block Chevy in it. You'll be able to see in the video when he purges the nitrous. But what the deal was, we were talking about doing the Nitrous 101 video, and I had never actually ridden in anything with nitrous, and so we were doing a lot of research on it and seeing if it was something we were going to be able to put together. And he was like, dude, you got to go for a ride with me. And so we went out and I had the GoPro mounted on the dash there. It's kind of looking up weird. And we go out and we warm up the truck first, you know, so that it's going to be safe to hit the spray. It's not going to hurt the motor or anything because it's cold. And we go out and we cruise around and we're just kind of, you know, talking back and forth a little bit about different things. And it's kind of hard to hear, you know, because the truck's pretty loud. But I thought you guys might enjoy it. If you don't want to listen to us babbling and talking and stuff, you can just skip ahead toward the end. You'll be able to see when he actually hits the spray. Like I said, it's a small block. He's got a 200 shot of nitrous, which means an extra 200 horsepower on top of whatever the motor already puts down. And so if you don't want to see all the talking, just skip ahead to like the last couple minutes and you'll be able to see the money stuff. So anyway, if you guys like the video, you know, don't forget to like it and subscribe and comment if you got something to say. I don't know the specs of the truck right offhand, but if you guys want to know, then I can ask him and I can put that stuff in the comments below. So without any further ado, here it is.
Never been too good with failure. Quit trying, can't tip in my swear words. Takes tons of work to get ahead. You're tired now, but you can sleep when you're dead. Lay it on the line, you can't see through me. Give it all I got, be what I can be. But with the punches, stand my ground. I won't back down, cause my work is never done. Pushing for number one, cause my work is never done. Let the hardness never attack.
Have you got it set to where you just slam the pedal and then it hits? And then that switch too?
Yeah, you just get that switch and everything's on.
Instead of just using the pedal. Does it got an RPM? That's up to you.
That's up to me. I just use the shift light. Wow. This one goes 6 grand. I don't really like this. Winding up too much.
Yeah.
Where it was 6 grand, we'll just stop on. Hey, our people, it's on some stuff. Pretty much a stalker.
A bunch of spray.
200 horse of spray on it.
Hell yeah. Ride's good. What suspension have you got?
Actually, this is all stock suspension.
Just cut it?
Yeah, they did the A-arms where they just split them and then lowered did it all right.
Right.
I bought this from an old body man.
Oh yeah.
Lyle Hansen. I don't know if you know him. He used to work for Blair up there at Creative Auto, and now he does his own stuff. He built this Chevy tube that it was immaculate.
Yeah.
I mean, it was so gorgeous. The engine compartment was just exactly, you know, that's all that
takes a
It
lot
was
of work.
red, and
Yeah.
man, it was nice. One day, I bought this truck from him. I don't know if you remember when I bought it, but it had a yellow front end.
Yep.
This was all primary.
Yep.
And shit. But it was low, and it was freaking cool.
Hell yeah. So,
Anyways, I got it all done. We were up at the duck races one day. And I think he was just harassing me. He's like, "You want to trade? I'll trade you right now. I want my truck back." I'm like, "For that Chevy too?" Okay. But we were just joking. That was immaculate car.
yeah.
But yeah, he did everything, all the lowering and everything himself. Just swapped the leaf springs so that instead of being on top, they were on the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any problems with the axle wrap on it?
Huh?
Do you have any problems with axle wrap with it that way?
Not too much, really. What? I don't ever. This thing doesn't hook hard enough. It just
Oh, yeah,
blows
it slides.
tires off.
Yeah.
So
What gears do you have in?
373s. So I'm really debating because I want to air ride it.
Mm-hmm.
Make it just sit on it, on the rocker panels.
Yeah.
But your ride's so damn good right now.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Reminds me of Days Confused.
Yeah.
Where that black Chevy is.
Yeah.
Wonder whatever happened to that one Cody Wixon used to drive around. Remember that black
Yeah, I
Cody
haven't
he
seen
had?
that thing since high school.
Me neither. Wonder, did you know if Forrest ever kept Brooks Chevelle?
I don't think he did.
I remember
His
he
dad
brought it
was
into
telling
these one time. The heads were blown on it.
Yeah, his dad was telling me that he beat the shit out of it. I don't remember if he said he got rid of it or not. It seemed like he said he didn't have it anymore. His dad's got a real nice Challenger, I guess. God, I can't believe how nice this rides. Doesn't feel like a truck.
I'd like to have it repainted before years.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know. Debating on cutting the bed out and raising it up so that I can get tire clearance
Right.
when you drop it.
Well, should we see what $2 of spray feels like? Shit, the road's wet too.
Spray on it.
Those bitches don't even have a chance. God, it just lights the hell out of them. Yeah.
They'll burn
Holy
up this long.
shit. God. Shit. Hell yes. That's why you need nitrous.